Alright guys, this is left in undisclosed location because, yeah, and this is the lift. The panels usually comes here, it's on the side. And it is a 3300. Here it is. Let's watch it. Doors open. Oh, that's nice. This is very nice. Go one. Lightning tiling can. I was all 7 persons. It's a 5500! I thought it was a 3300, it's actually a 5500. This is very, very good. Let's go round. A 5500 for this building. Heavenly, bro. And it's at Verve Connolly. Okay, I've just revealed it. And it's not using any FIGS, it's not using line or anything, but that's okay, so go.